when I am going to be meeting Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when He's going to be looking at me, and this is for everybody, we're all going to meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as an individual, alone. What did I bring to Allah? As we say, what do I have on the table from this Ramadan that no one else has, or everybody has, but not the way I did it? So this is a question as we are preparing. There's less than 10 days. I normally get a little bit of anxiety when this becomes, because I don't know if I'm going to be alive. And I really want to be alive. Not to enjoy this dunya, but because this is an opportunity for me to meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala after Ramadan as a better person, as a one who is more confident that I did my best to please you.